How to get a bug net in Terraria. So you cannot craft the standard bug net. You must buy it. And to do this, you need to force the merchant NPC to move into your town, which requires meeting two strict conditions. First is you must build a valid empty house containing background walls, like these ones, and also a light source, a flat surface item like a table, and a comfort item like a chair. And you'll know that the housing is suitable if you go on clicking escape on your keyboard, then go to the housing icon right there. So click on that and you will see this question mark, which is the housing query. And if you click on that and click on a certain house, so if I click on this house, as you can see, it says that this housing is suitable, which means NPCs can live in it. And you'll also see these pictures of NPCs on each house or some of the houses. So if you see that, it means that that particular NPC is living there. So if I click on it, as you can see, this housing is already occupied, which is occupied by the merchant right there. And also second is you must have a minimum of 50 silver coins currently sitting in your inventory. So I have plenty right here. And once both conditions are met, the merchant will spawn during daytime. So I already have mine right here. But once you have the merchant into your town, just approach him, then open his shop right here. And now you will see the option of purchasing the bug net right there. So the buy price is 22 silvers and 25 coppers. So this is the absolute only way to acquire the base item. So just keep it in your hotbar and swing it at critters to collect some bait. So as you can see, there's a worm right there. So you could destroy rocks like this to reveal some worms. So let's try catching one with our bug net. As you can see, I now have catched the worm. And you could also use the bug net to craft the lava-proof bug net, which you will need to combine 15 hellstone bars with. So with that, you can catch hellfire baits for underworld fishing. And that's how I basically get a bug net in Terraria.